In this tutorial, I'll show you how to work around the old 2 million cell limit in Google Sheets and fully take advantage of the newer 10 million cell capacity without using BigQuery. First, understand how the limit actually works. Google Sheets doesn't just count rows or columns separately. It counts the total number of cells, which is rows multiplied by columns. As long as that total stays under 10 million, your sheet will work fine. When you open a new sheet, it usually starts with 26 columns and hundreds of thousands of rows. That setup is designed to stay within the limit. But here's the key trick. You can reshape your sheet depending on your needs. If your dataset only requires a small number of columns, delete the extra ones. This instantly frees up space so you can add more rows. For example, if you reduce your sheet to 10 columns instead of 26, you can significantly increase the number of rows before hitting the limit. To do this, right-click on unnecessary column headers and delete them. Keep only the columns you actually use. Then, scroll down and add more rows as needed. This approach lets you store much larger data sets without needing external tools. It's all about optimizing structure, not breaking limits. Also, try to keep your sheet lightweight. Avoid excessive formulas, heavy formatting, or unused columns because they can slow performance when working with large data. The main idea is simple. Control your columns to expand your rows. As long as the total number of cells stays under the limit, you can push Google Sheets much further than most people expect. That's it. You now know how to bypass the old limitation and scale your spreadsheets efficiently without using BigQuery.